Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Homegoods, just browsing to see what they have to offer today. Guys, look how cute these are right here. These are so stinking cute. $12.99. They have a lot of redone items out as well. Easter blessings, $9.99 for those. And how cute are these little houses are right here. And they actually light up. There's that guy back there. Oh, no, there's that girl back there with her little dress on. And there's this little guy right here in his suit. Those are really cute, guys. And this little house right here lights up as well. This one right here is $16.99. And this one right here is going for $24.99. I'm assuming these are redone because why not? $12.99 for that. Easter blessings, $9.99. Happy Easter. They have some really nice things out. These are $9.99. They have all these eggs right here. They have different sayings on them by Ray Dunn. $19.99. And of course, you can't go without the gnomes. Look at those. You pretty much see those everywhere. Alright, so they have a lot of the Easter wreaths right here. This one is $29.99. They have these right here. Those are very pretty. $16.99 for that basket wreath. You have that one. They have the bunny up there. They have the pink gnomes in the back here for $14.99. They have this little angel right here with her bunny. She is very pretty. $19.99 for her. They have these little gnomes right here. $7.99. This one right here. And I love these little crystal bunnies right here. They're very heavy. $16.99. I love the blue ones here. $5.99. The little porcelain bunnies here. How cute is this one right here? The mother with her little family with the umbrella. Very cute. Spring. Guys, look at this little girl right here in her dress with her basket of eggs. $14.99 for her. Alright, so they do have some cake plates and cake pans back here, cupcake liners. They have these right here, Happy Treats, $3.99. And they also have these with the little bunnies on the top. This is made by Ray Dunn. You get a total of 24 foiled treat bins and lids. $5.99. These are cake liners and 24 picks as well. They have a lot of these for $3.99. They have this one right here. A lot of items for your kitchen. Meet me at the Carrot Patch 2-piece set here. That's really cute. Here's another one here. Happy Easter. Celebrate. Set of 2 silicone spatulas here. These are $3.99. Ray Dunn Love Never Fails XOXO, $5.99. These are mini utensils. You get a set of 3. Right, so they have a lot of Ray Dunn mugs here. This one here says Free Spirit. All of these are $5.99, I believe. Cup of Sunshine. Happy Hey Girl. Tea. Be the Light. Love You More. Valentine. Hot Stuff. They have a lot of the cups here. Nurse. There's one that says keepsakes. 100%. I woke up like this, and it has different colors on the inside. I like this one right here. And over here they have some nice little plates here, little bunny plates here. You get a set of 4, $7.99. They have these right here. These are $2.99. They have this right here, this little bucket, $9.99 for that. That little tea kettle set right there. Alright, so I came into Homegoods pretty much to look at their bath items here. I saw some on one of the another YouTuber's page, Shandi Shopping Saga, and they had turquoise Ray Dunn items, but I don't actually see those. I do see the black ones that they had, and I think I may go for the black one here. This one says Things, Soap, and Rinse. Those are really nice. They have some really nice trash cans here as well. So I may just pick up these 3 items here and call it a day, and I'm going to be searching for some more items as well because my bathroom is going to be black and white. But I really like those. They have these right here. I did see one. It was the one here that says bath. That one, and this one says jar. This one right here says waste. And they all range in different prices. Alright, so they have some nice little bunny cups here. Some bunny loves you. This one is going for $3.99. They have this one right here. And they have these taller ones right here. This one says Hello Spring, $3.99. And they have this set of 4 little cups right here. Really cute. I love these right here. Very nice and colorful. $3.99. And they have that one. They have a lot of nice mugs and cups for coffee. Live well, laughed often, love much. $3.99. My kid had paws. $3.99 for that. Alright, so they have some nice little Easter pillows here. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. They have that one with the beaded bunny. Really nice. Have those down there at the bottom. But as you can see, they have a lot of nice pillows, guys. This one right here says Love My Peeps. This one right here says Bunny Love, if you can actually see that. They also have some St. Patrick's Day pillows mixed in Irish Kisses. What's this one say right here? Luck of Irish, love never fails. And all of these items are made by Ray Dunn. The ones here with the Irish, the St. Patrick's Day. Happy Easter. They have that bunny up there. Alright guys, so look how beautiful these pieces are right here. This right here is $39.99. This one as well. I love the color of this. It's like a rustic color. It comes with 2. That's very nice. I'm not sure the price. You get this one right here. $14.99 for that. I love those baskets up there. And they have that bench down there at the bottom. Very nice. Those 2 pillows there are really nice as well. And they have the vases right here. They're not very heavy, but they're $16.99. I'm not sure what that is back there in the back. But it would go great on a wall. Maybe put some nice decor on the top for $24.99. And they have this right here. Nice decorative piece. Alright guys, so I am up here at the line ready to check out. It just seemed like nowadays the lines are so busy. But of course today is Saturday and everyone is off and they're out. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. This says Home Sweet Home, $9.99. There's that camera down there, $12.99 for that. But thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. They have a lot of the Easter napkins up here in different prices. How cute are those? Alright guys, thanks so much for watching.